Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. And what a wonderful day it's going to be today. And so today, I want to welcome you back to the Family Reset Daily Steps to Strengthen Unity. And then say we're on day 16, the power of apologizing. Today's talk is about something that can mend relationships, restore trust, and bring peace. It's the power of apologizing. And what's so cool about it is nobody's perfect, and in families we all make mistakes, but healing happens when we're humble enough to say, I was wrong and I'm sorry. Proverbs 15:1 says, a gentle answer turns away wrath, but a harsh word stirs up anger. A sincere apology can tear down walls and bring hearts back together. And so today, here's your challenge for you. If there's someone in your family you need to apologize to, do it. No excuses, no justification, just a genuine, I'm sorry. Watch how it shifts the atmosphere in your home. And if the whole house gets excited about it, apologizing isn't just about losing, it's about winning back connection. So let's reset our families by making forgiveness and humility a daily practice. We'll see you tomorrow for another step towards strength and unity. And don't forget the power of just saying, I'm sorry, please forgive me. They don't have to forgive you. They don't even have to forget, but at least you reached out and said it. Talk to you tomorrow.